we're grooving to our Father's land. Yeah, how good and how pleasant it would be before God and man to see the unification of all Rasta man. Yeah, has it's been said already, let it be done. I tell